Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Ar-Raheem, the most compassionate. Al-Malik, the king. Al-Quddus, the most pure. As-Salam, the source of peace. Al-Muhaymin, the giver of security. Al-Muhaymin, the protector. Al-Aziz, the almighty. Al-Jabbar, the compeller. Al-Mujhid, the supreme. Al-Malik, the creator. Al-Bari, the evolver. Al-Musawwir, the fashioner. Al-Ghaffar, the forgiving. Al-Qahhar, the all-prevailing one. Al-Wahhab, the bestower. Ar-Razzaq, the provider. Al-Fatah, the opener, the victory giver. Al-Alim, the all-knowing. Al-Kabid, the withholder. Al-Basid, the extender. Al-Qafid, the abaser. Ar-Rafi, the exalter. Al-Mu'iz, the honorer. Al-Mudhil, the humiliator. As-Sami, the all-hearing. Al-Basir, the all-seeing. Al-Hakam, the judge. Al-Adil, the utterly just. Al-Latif, the subtle one. Al-Kabir, the all-aware. Al-Halim, the forbearing. Al-Azim, the magnificent. Al-Ghaffar, the great forgiver. Ash-Shakir, the most appreciative. Al-Ali, the most high. Al-Kabir, the most great. Al-Hafiz, the preserver. Al-Muqit, the sustainer. Al-Hasib, the reckoner. Al-Jalil, the majestic. Al-Karim, the generous. Ar-Raqib, the watchful. Al-Mujib, the responsive. Al-Wasi, the all-encompassing. Al-Hakim, the most wise. Al-Wadid, the loving. Al-Majid, the most glorious. Al-Ba'ith, the resurrector. Ash-Shahid, the witness. Al-Haq, the truth. Al-Wakil, the trustee. Al-Qawi, the strong. Al-Matin, the firm. Al-Wali, the guardian. Al-Hamid, the praiseworthy. Al-Musi, the appraiser. Al-Mubdi, the originator. Al-Mu'id, the restorer. Al-Muhi, the giver of life. Al-Mumit, the taker of life. Al-Hay, the ever-living. Al-Qayyum, the self-subsisting. Al-Wajid, the finder. Al-Majid, the noble. Al-Wahid, the one. As-Samad, the eternal. Al-Qadir, the all-powerful. Al-Muqtadir, the creator of all power. Al-Muqaddim, the expediter. Al-Muakhir, the delayer. Al-Awwal, the first. Al-Akhir, the last. Az-Zahir, the manifest. Al-Batin, the hidden. Al-Wali, the protecting friend. Al-Mutali, the most exalted. Al-Bar, the source of all goodness. At-Tawwab, the acceptor of repentance. Al-Muntakim, the avenger. Al-Afu, the pardoner. Ar-Raf, the most kind. Malik al-Mulk, the owner of all sovereignty. Dul Jalali wal Ikram, the Lord of glory and honor. Al-Muqsid, the just. Al-Jami, the gatherer. Al-Ghani, the rich, the independent. Al-Muni, the enricher. Al-Mani, the preventer. Ad-Dar, the distresser. And Nafi, the propitious, the benefactor. And Nur, the light. Al-Hadi, the guide. Al-Badi, the incomparable originator. Al-Baki, the everlasting. Al-Warith, the inheritor. Ar-Rashid, the guide to the right path.